Right, hello everybody, welcome to Forex Trading with Sai. In this video I'm going to give you a nice breakdown of New Zealand CAD. As you may already know, if you follow me on the socials, I went long on this position today and I managed to gain around 61 pips, which is quite good. So right, let's get straight into it. So on my previous video you would have saw that I was quite keen on going long on this pair. Before I start, I'm going to show you what I look for. The first thing what I check on all my currency pair is I look on the daily time, on my daily time frame. As you can see, it is above my moving average. As you can see, it is well above it. The market was trending down, and as it got near it, you can see it started to run out of steam. So you started to see these spinning tops starts to form, and this candlestick is quite good. Monday candlestick is quite good. Is it Monday? No, sorry. Tuesday candlestick is quite good. As you can see, it's closed as a hammer. And as you can see, Monday it closed as a spinning top. And Friday, called out a spinning top as well. So what I did was, this morning I looked on the 4-hour time frame. Around 8 in the morning I looked on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I marked this as my temporary support, as this was Monday's session that played out, came back down, and as you can see, touch, pushed up and came back down again. So this trade I missed on Monday. I actually missed that trade. I remember I actually said it in my previous video that I was quite upset that I missed that trade. But like I say, if you miss a trade, let it go. Don't jump into it because you missed it. Just let it go. Don't chase the market. The market will always come back, retest levels, and you go again. And as you can see, it came back down and retested this level again. So once I saw this this morning, I scrolled down on the 2-hour time frame. I don't really take trades on the 2-hour time frame, but I like to look to see what's going on that time frame. Then I scroll down to the 1. And on the 1 time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, I've got this lovely candlestick reversal patterns. I always keep going on about these two. Once you see these two candlestick reversal pattern form on a support, a very strong signal that the market is going to have a reversal and start trending the other way. So I literally got in this around 9 o'clock. Market pushed back down, came back up and closed above. This next candlestick closed above the support, which is quite good, and this will be classed as a dragonfly. Some people may call it a hammer, but once I saw this dragonfly, especially in the support, very good signal to indicate me that the market is now looking to push up. I also looked on a half an hour time frame in the morning. I wasn't really seeing much, as you can see. It looked, to be fair, when I started looking on half an hour, I started to think, okay, this is going to break this level here and start trending down. So once it broke this level, I was literally looking to wait for the retest of the support once it's broken, but it didn't. It actually quite holded. As you can see, these candlesticks on a 15-minute time frame, the false breakout happened. So I patiently just waited on the 1 hour, and this is what happened there on the 1 hour. This candlestick reversal pattern formed, followed by a dragonfly, which I got in, placed a long trade with around 30 pips stop loss. Anything more than 50 pips, I tend to not get in a trade. If I have to risk more than 50 pips, then I'll leave the trade. I won't get it. Even if all my setup happens, if it's more than 50 pips, I'll just let it go, because risk management is very vital when you're trading. That's the only way you will progress as a trader, with risk management. And as you can see, within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, I hit my target of 61 pip. And it has actually broken my temporary resistant level. The reason why I put this resistant level here, as you can see, it's touched this level, came back down, came back up, didn't get nowhere to touch that level again. came back down, touched support and pushed right back up and touched my resistant level. So now this temporary resistant level has been broken. How it looks on a 4-hour time frame. Yep. EMAs is crossed over to the upside as well. Just crossed over. So I'm expecting this pair to start trending upwards now. As you can see on the daily time frame, it has formed a hammer. I only put one position on this trade. Normally I would have put two. I would have let one hit my target, and then the other position I would have let run to see how far this trade would take me. But unfortunately, I only put one position on this today, and I'm quite happy. So what I normally do during the week, I normally just look for like a few trades. Once I win 3 profitable trades, then I let the week run. That's me done for the week. So that's about it for me actually. That is just a quick breakdown what I look out for when I'm trading. So remember, rule number 1, my first evidence I look out for is to see where if the market is below or above my moving average, which is above. That was my first evidence. Second evidence was on a 4-hour time frame, it started making a temporary support. So then I just put this blue line right here. Then on my third evidence, I start looking out for candlestick reversal patterns. So if any reversal patterns I would tend to look for on a 1 hour, 30 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame, I look out for a candlestick reversal pattern to get in with a low risk. And as you can see, I got in on a 1 hour time frame with this candlestick reversal here. I make this reversal pattern, I call this my own name. I call this the bearish bullish twin. Once you see this form on a support, I've got into many trades and won many trades just on that candlestick reversal pattern just right there. But you have to remember, you have to be following the trend of the market. It's not always going to work. Sometimes I use that candlestick reversal pattern and lost. It happens. You're going to lose sometime. That is part of trading. So that's about it. That was just a quick breakdown of the New Zealand CAD of what I saw and the reason why I got in that trade and made 61 pips. So have a nice trading week, people, and I'm out.